Hey friend, it is LaMorvielle, and welcome back to Brand Impact 365. Today, I want to share something that hit me hard about simplicity and how it affects whether people actually understand what you offer. So let's get into it. Earlier today, I caught myself trying to explain one of my offers, and it took way too many words. I had to stop and ask myself, why is this so hard to explain, right? If I'm getting stuck trying to explain what I offer, then what does that mean for someone who's never met me? And so I took a step back and looked at some of the brands that I admire for being impactful. And when I looked at those brands, I noticed very quickly that it was so easy to understand what they were offering. And then that's when it clicked, right? The brands that we understand the fastest are the ones with the simplest messages. Okay, so no fancy language, no long breakdowns, just clear, confident statements about what they do and who they help. Then it made me realize that simplicity isn't about being basic, right? It's about being effective, okay? And then once I noticed that, I started rewriting my own explanations, making them shorter, cleaner, clearer. And then I asked myself, could someone get this in 10 seconds? Because if the answer was no, I had to simplify it again. And instantly everything started feeling more lighter, a lot easier, and felt more powerful. Not just because the offer changed, but because the message finally aligned with the value that I was trying to offer. So here's what I want you to take from this, okay? If people can't quickly understand what you offer, they can't move toward working with you, okay? It's not that they don't care, it's not that your offer isn't good. It's just that it's confusing, and confusion stops any type of action. People buy clarity, people join clarity, people trust clarity, and you deserve to be understood. So, here's something to try. Describe your business in one simple sentence, as if you were telling it to a 12-year-old, okay? Something like, I help people find beautiful gemstone jewelry, right? Okay. Or I teach sellers how to grow their business. Or here's another example. I help shoppers feel more confident when they buy. If you're saying your sentence and it feels too complicated, simplify it again. And then you're going to be amazed at how powerful your brand becomes because people will finally get it. All right, so that is today's episode. Now remember that simple does not mean less or basic, okay? It just means clear. And clarity leads to growth. All right. Thank you so much for your support. Remember to subscribe to the channel, friend. That does let YouTube know that you are enjoying this video and others will too. All right. I'll see you in the next one.